Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm back with another Genshin Impact tutorial and we are learning how to add friends in Genshin Impact. So without waiting much, let's get started. First of all, launch open the Genshin Impact game on your device and let the game get started. Once you're inside your game, go to the top left corner and tap on the Paimon icon. This will now bring up this pop-up menu where you'll need to click Friends. Inside the Friends tab, click on the little plus button on the left corner with two human icons in it. And you can now go ahead and search for your friend by typing down their user ID in the text box at the top. Enter your friend's user ID, which is 9-digit number, in the text box. Now click on Search to search for your friend. If your user ID is correct, you'll be able to see your friend's profile right underneath. So make sure to type in your user ID correct. Remember to only share your user ID with trusted people. Once you find your friend in the search result, you can add them easily by tapping on the Add button or Request button. So that was how you can easily add friends on Genshin Impact. All you need to do now is to wait for your friend to accept your request, and you will be able to add them to your friend list. That's how you easily add friends in Genshin Impact. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.